Alright guys, it is finally time for the potato harvest. I'm really excited to see how many potatoes are in this bed. Before we get into the potatoes, I'm going to go around and harvest all of these little tomato looking things. Potatoes are a part of the nightshade family, so like tomatoes and peppers. Don't eat this though, they're very poisonous. But let's get into the potatoes. I'm excited to cut these open and see what's going on inside. They're really pretty. Guys, check out this bug. Kind of creepy. You have to cut one of these open. I guess I'll just let them dry out and save the seed. I just think they're so pretty. Right, time for the potatoes. They're looking good. Look at this one, it's huge. Wow, that's awesome. You never know what to expect because potatoes are in the ground. Like you can't see them. Some little guys. Man, that's it. I'm not very impressed yet. These must not be very high yielding potatoes. Here is a waste of a potato. See how it's all green? I might be able to save half of it. But don't let your potatoes get uncovered and sit in the sun. That was the best plant yet. I'm not very impressed with these potato plants. When I grew them last year, there was like 10 potatoes on each plant. Not doing as well this year. Like this one is really, really green. Should be able to save this half though. I'm realizing now that these dark ones are the ones that I planted. They're like the main root. It's a good one. This is the biggest one. Look at that. It's massive compared to all the other ones. That's the winner so far. This is the last one. Alright guys, that wraps it up for the potato harvest. Not really impressed with that. I think those are Yukon Golds. I probably wouldn't grow them again, but Some potatoes are better than no potatoes. I do have a potato curry recipe I'm really excited to make. I will link that down in the description if you guys want to check that out. I'm going to harvest some green beans. If you guys haven't seen the green bean harvest, check out these. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.